Alright guys, welcome back. Guess what? I found some more games to play. This one's called Limitless360. Coming at ya. I've upgraded in the game so I can actually play more games, learn, grow and develop more. Amazing stuff. Really simple step, really easy moves in this one. Move one, all you got to do is when you jump into your back office, watch a little video and follow the video instructions. Get to understand the game, what you got to do in Limitless360. Then move two is going to the settings page, getting in there, doing a little bit of fiddle, whatever you need to do in there. Upload your profile picture, then fill out your information, fill out all your deets, get it all sorted. You can also sort out your black card as well on there so you can get that sent in the mail for you. So really simple, that step guys. Bang, done, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Guys, if you haven't already, jump on the link below, join my team, start playing these games for free, enjoy the fun, enjoy the growth and the experience that you get, enjoy building your business. To be frankly honest with you, all leads, whatever you want. The beautiful thing about playing these games, you can get these reward points and they can be used towards cash prizes. You know, Vince is giving away his Bentley and his Rolex. So if you haven't already started, start now. Add me on Facebook, Instagram, get a feel for what we're doing, and then jump on board. All the information will be in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.